Hey there! Welcome! This video demonstrates how to create and use domain pools in the CommPeak SMS platform. You will learn how to create a pool, add domains to your pools or remove them, and use pools in SMS campaigns. You will need a bunch of custom domains for short or opt-out URLs in your campaign. It is convenient to group the previously created domains into sets called pools before using them in campaigns, as we will show now. In your TextPeak account, go to Domains and URLs, and select Domain Pools. Then click Create New Pool. Enter the name and description and select Add Domains to attach your custom domains right away. Then choose them from the drop-down list. Pay attention how many SMS messages have been sent using a domain. Then click Create. The newly added pool will appear in the list. If it is empty or you wish to add more domains, click the pool name. Then just select the Add Domains checkbox and pick the needed domains as you did while creating the pool. Here you can also delete a domain by clicking on the trash icon. Alternatively, you can access this window to add or delete domains from the Info option in the three-dot menu. Other options in the menu are Edit that you can use to modify the pool's name and description, and Delete that lets you remove a pool. In your SMS campaign, you can select one or more pools for short or opt-out URLs depending on the expected number of messages. To make sure you have enough domains in your pools for your campaign, you should check the global domain limit. In the guide by the link, you will learn how to set the global limit, so you can swap domains automatically. See you in our next video guides.